Good morning from Vegan City again. I'm back in Vegan after a few days. I was here Sunday morning. Now it's Sunday of July 6. Now it's July 13. I was here yesterday to attend the burial cremation of my foster father here in Vegan, and luckily I departed Iloilo luckily I left Iloilo via plane at around 9:30, arrived at 11 in Manila, and passenger bus left Pasay at around 1 a.m. I arrived here 8:30, just in time for mass prior to cremation of my foster father. So this is Kali Crisologo at 5 o'clock, 5:15 in the morning. I am planning to buy souvenirs here, but they're still closed. So yeah, I have a flight this evening.